Hello students, this is my second video about straight line. Here first of all we will get how to find the angle between two straight lines, and in next we will get how to derive the condition for two parallel lines and for two perpendicular lines. So let's start. Okay, so have to see how to find the angle between two lines. We have to consider here the lines. Let two straight lines are y equal to m1x plus c1 and another one y equal to m2x plus c2. Okay, so we have to draw the coordinate axis. We have to consider two straight lines which to intersect here AB and CD. I have considered these two lines. Okay, and this angle is theta. We have to find this angle, and this one is theta 1, this one is theta 2. Okay, so we have to write from the equation y equal to m1x, we can say that theta 1 is the inclination for this. So we can say let theta 1 be the inclination for y equal to m1x plus c1. As we have seen in the first video that therefore m1 become the slope for tan theta 1 equals to m1. Okay, similarly theta 2 with the slope for y equal to m2x plus c2. Therefore tan theta 2 equals to m2. Okay, now from this triangle what we are getting, that theta 1 is the external angle, and as we know theta 1 equals to, here theta 1 equals to, we can say that this one is external angle, so is this equal with the sum of opposite interior angles, means theta 2 plus theta. Okay, so by reversing we can say theta equal to theta 1 minus theta 2. We have value for tan theta 1, tan theta 2. Okay, so we have to write therefore tan theta equals to tan of theta 1 minus theta 2. Now we have to use one formula from trigonometry. As you know, tan of a minus b means tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a into tan b. Okay, and we have the value for tan theta 1, that is m1, and tan theta 2, that is m2. So m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So we have got the value for tan theta. Okay, now see, we have got this value. Now from diagram what I have made here, that you can get that this one is acute angle. So naturally another angle, if we consider this one phi, then there are two angles between AB and CD. One is theta, that is acute, another one is phi, and you can see easily that theta plus phi is 180 degree because AB is the line. Okay, so we have to write uh, again theta plus phi equals to 180 degree, phi equal to 180 degree minus theta. Therefore tan phi equal to tan of 180 degree minus theta. Now tan of 180 minus theta means tan of 2 into 90 degree minus theta, that is 290 degree means 190, 290 minus means it lies in second quadrant, so minus, and 2 for 2, that's why no change. So tan theta means we are getting that tan phi equals to minus, and the same value what we have got for this, that m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So we have got that theta equal to positive 1 and phi equal to minus of this. Okay, now we can say if the value of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2 is positive, then it represents tan of acute angle between the lines, and for negative value of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2, it represents tan of obtuse angle between the lines. Therefore, to get acute angle between the lines, we have to take tan theta equals to, if we take a mod, then always we are getting that positive, that is tan theta equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Find the angle between the lines 2x minus y equal to 9 and x minus 3y plus 8 equals to 0. Okay, so you have to write given first line 2x minus y equals to 9. Now we have to represent this line in the form y equal to mx plus c. So minus y equals to minus 2x plus 9, or y equals to, by multiplying minus 1, 2x minus 9. Okay, therefore slope m1 equals to 2. But write again x minus 3y plus 8 equals to 0, or minus 3y equals to minus x minus 8, or 3y by multiplying minus 1 we are getting x plus 8. Therefore y equal to 1 by 3x plus 8 by 3. Therefore slope m2 equal to 1 by 3. Okay, let theta be the angle between them. Therefore we have to recall ourselves the formula tan theta equals to, as we have to find out the acute angle, so we have to take mod m1 minus m2, 2 minus 1 by 3 by 1 plus 2 into 1 by 3. Here without mod also we can calculate, because we have taken 2 and 2 is greater than 1 by 3. So I have to take the LCM 3 to the 6 minus 1, and here also 3 plus 2. So 5 by 3, as we are getting plus, so I am just removing mod. 5 by 3 into here 3 by 5, that is 1. Therefore tan theta equals to 1, and we know that it is the value of tan pi by 4. Therefore theta equals to pi by 4. So we can write, therefore the required angle between the between the given lines is pi by 4. Now we have the condition for parallel lines. I have to draw two parallel lines. If we consider here two parallel lines, we have to get the meaning that parallel lines. We have learned that two lines are parallel if they do not intersect, even extending in both the direction. So the condition is that they are not intersecting each other, so the angle between them is 0. They are not making any angle between each other, so the angle between them is 0. Here AB parallel CD, therefore the angle between them is 0. Therefore tan 0 equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Okay, therefore tan 0 0, so m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Now by multiplying, what we will get, 0 into this means 0, therefore m1 minus m2 equals to 0 into this means 0, therefore m1 equals to m2. So we have got here that the slope of the first straight line, as we have considered that y equals to m1x plus c1 and y equal to m2x plus c2. So m1 is the slope for the first line and m2 is the slope for the second line. So slope of first line equal to slope of first line equal to slope of second line. That is, the both the slopes are equal, and from diagram also we can see that if this one is theta, that time as this and these are parallel, so this angle and this angle corresponding angle, so this also theta. So we have got condition that when two straight line are parallel, their slopes are equal. Now we have to take another condition, that is the condition for perpendicular lines. Condition for perpendicular lines. Okay, if we consider y equals to m1x plus c1 and y equal to m2x plus c2, if the lines are perpendicular to each other, then tan 90 equals to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2, implying m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2 equals to, we can write sin pi by 2 by cos pi by 2. As we know, tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta, so we can write sin pi by 2 by cos pi by 2. Okay, to get easily I have written like that. Now sin pi by 2 means 1, cos pi by 2 0. Now by multiplying we will get 0 into this means 0 and 1 into 1 plus m1 m2 equal to 0. Therefore m1 into m2 equal to, this one will go this side, minus 1. Therefore what we can say, therefore slope of first line into slope of second line equals to minus 1. So we can say that if m1, if one slope is m, then another slope is minus 1 by m. Okay, the negative reciprocal. Now we have this problem, find equation of the line parallel with 2x minus 3y equal to 5 and passing through minus 3 4. Means we have one line and we have to find one line which one is parallel with this line and passing through this point. Okay, parallel, so we have one point. How, I think you know how to find straight line. We need point and slope, and the required line has the slope equal with this because they are parallel. So how to solve? See, given line or straight line, you may write 2x minus 3y equals to 5, or we have to represent it in the form y equal to mx plus c. So I'm doing this. 3y equal to 2x minus 5, therefore y equal to 2 by 3x minus 5 by 3. We have to write therefore slope of the line is 2 by 3, therefore slope of the line parallel to the given line is 2 by 3. As we know the condition m1 equals to m2, what we have got for two parallel lines, m1 equals to m2, so we got this. Therefore equation of the line passing through minus 3 comma 4 before with slope 2 by 3 is, we have to think that xy is a point on the required line, so we have to take we have to get the slope for the xy and this point. So y minus y1 by x minus x1, so plus 3, and this is the slope, and again we have got the slope this. Okay, so implying 3y minus 12 equal to 2x plus 6, implying 2x minus 3y plus 18 equals to 0. This is the required line. This is the required parallel line. Now we have this problem. Find the equation of the perpendicular to the line 2x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0 and passing through 2 minus 3. So like previous one, I have to write given line 2x plus 3y plus 5 equals to 0. Okay, so if this one is 2x plus 3y plus 5 equals to 0, so we have to find the equation of the perpendicular. Okay, we have to find out the equation for this line. Okay, so we have to take out the slope for this line and point is already given. So how to find? Let's see that we have to write implying 3y equal to minus 2x minus 5. Okay, implying y equal to minus 2 by 3x minus 5 by 3, therefore slope equals to minus 2 by 3. Okay, but we have to find the equation perpendicular to the line. Okay, so we have to take, let m be the slope of the perpendicular line, therefore what we have got, m1 into m2 equal to minus 1, so m into minus 2 by 3 equals to minus 1. Okay, as m1 into m2 equal to minus 1, this one is the condition for perpendicular lines, therefore m equal to minus minus cancel and 3 this side, therefore equation of the perpendicular is given by the point is this one 2 minus 3, point is this one 2 minus 3, and the slope we have got 3 by 2. So you have to take the slope with xy, slope between xy and 2 minus 3, xy and 2 minus 3. Okay, so you can imagine that this one is 2 minus 3 and this one is x comma y. So how to get the slope? Y minus y1, so y minus minus 3 plus 3 by x minus x1, x minus 2, this one becomes the slope. Okay, and we have got the slope should be 3 by 2. Okay, implying 3x minus 6 equal to 2y plus 6. Okay, therefore 3x minus 2y equals to 12. This one is the required equation. Our next problem, the line joining 3, 4 and 2 minus 1 is parallel with the line joining a minus 2 and 4 minus a. Find the value of a. Okay, so I am drawing here, this one is 3, 4 and 2 minus 1. Okay, and another line, this one is a minus 2 and 4 minus a. Okay, so at first we have to find the slope for this line. The slope of the line joining 3, 4 and 2 minus 1 is m1 equal to, we can provide m1 4, or we can do y2 minus y1 means minus 1 minus 4, x2 minus x1, 2 minus 3. Okay, that is minus 5 by minus 1 equal to 5. Again, the slope of the line joining a minus 2 and 4 minus a is minus m2 equals to minus a minus of minus 2 means plus 2 by 4 minus a. As the lines are parallel, therefore what is the condition? That m1 equals to m2, therefore minus a plus 2 by 4 minus a equals to 5, therefore minus a plus 2 we may provide implying equal to 20 minus 5a, implying minus 5a will come this side, implying 4a equal to 18, implying a equal to 18 by 4, therefore a equal to 9 by 2. This is the therefore required value of a equals to 9 by 2. Now we have this problem: find the distance of the point 25 from the line 3x plus y plus 4 equal to 0 measured parallel to the line 3x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. Okay, so at first we have to draw a diagram. This will help us to get the problem. Okay, so here I am taking this point. Okay, this one is our 25 P25. Okay, and this one is the line 3x plus y plus 4 equals to 0. It is given that find the distance of the point 25 from the line this, if it is not given that measured parallel to something, then we'll get distance means perpendicular distance. But here what is given that measured distance we have to take out, but not the perpendicular distance. Okay, it is given that measured parallel to the line this, means here we have another line, okay, this one is another line and this one is 3x minus 4y plus 8 equals to 0. So you have to take out the distance measured parallel to this line. Measured parallel means now the distance should be this one. This one is the distance we have to find out, means this distance we have to find out, as the distance is measured parallel to the direction of this. So naturally we need this point, so we have to write given 3x minus 4y plus 8 equals to 0, means we have to get a line parallel to this line passing through this point. Okay, so naturally we have to take out the slope for this line, minus 4y or minus 4y equal to minus 3x minus 8, or y equal to 3 by 4x plus 2, therefore slope equal to 3 by 4. Then provide name q. Okay, therefore slope of PQ equals to 3 by 4, as PQ parallel with this line, therefore equation of the line PQ. Now see, PQ is passing through 25, the line PQ passing through 25 and having slope 3 4. So y minus y1 by x minus x1 equal to this slope. Okay, so 3x minus 6 equal to 4y minus 20, implying 3x minus 4y equal to minus 6 plus means minus 14 we are getting. Okay, so we have to provide name number 1. Again we have to find the distance of P25 from the line 3x plus y plus 4 equals to 0. Okay, so this is our number 2. Now see this one, the equation of this line we have got the 3x minus 4y, 3x minus 4y equals to minus 14. So this equation and now this equation, and both the line this one and this one have the common point q. Okay, so we have to get the coordinate of q, we have to solve this and this, means 1 and 2. See here, coefficient of x is already equal, so I have to just 2 minus 1 gives 3x plus y plus 4 equals to 0. 3x minus 4y, we have to take 14 this side, plus 14 equal to 0. Now minus this one plus minus, so 5y here minus 10 equal to 0, or y equal to 10 by 5, that is 2, therefore y equals to 2. From 2, if we put the value for this, then 3x plus 2 plus 4 equal to 0, or 3x equal to minus 6, therefore x equal to minus 2. therefore q minus 2 comma 2. Okay, now the required, you can see that the required distance is, now the required distance is what, the point is p25 and the point q we got minus 2 comma 2. So the distance is between 25 and minus 2 2. Okay, so now the required distance pq equal to 25. We have to take out the distance between 25 and minus 2 2. So x2 minus x1 root over of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square provide unit. Okay, so root over of here minus 4 whole square means 16, 2 minus 5 means minus 3 whole square means 9 unit. So naturally we are getting 25 unit root over equals to 5 unit. Hope all these sums will help you to get a straight line in a better way. Okay, see you in my next video.